How to Recover Your Discord Account Without Email, 2025 Full Guide. Forgot your email and can't log into your Discord account? Here are the working recovery methods. Method 1. Use phone number if added. Open the Discord login page. Tap Login. Enter your phone number instead of email. Enter your password. Complete the SMS verification code. If your phone number was linked, you can log in without email. Method 2. Reset password using username plus support. If you don't remember your email, go to the Discord support page, select Help and Support, choose Login Issues. Enter your username and explain that you lost access to your email. Submit the request. Discord may ask for identity verification before restoring access. Method 3. Check saved accounts on your device. If you were logged in before, open the Discord app. Check if your account is still logged in. Go to Settings/My Account and add a new email and verify it. This is the fastest recovery method. Important tips. Without email, phone number, or password, recovery is very difficult. Avoid third-party account recovery services. They are unsafe. Always add both email and phone number for future security. Final summary. Use phone login, contact Discord support, add a new email if already logged in. This is the safest way to recover a Discord account without email.